getting ready for our upcoming trip. Now I'm headed to Dunkin' to grab coffee, and then I'm going to a lash appointment, and then also in this vlog I'm going to get my nails done, which won't be today probably, and start packing. So I'm gonna have you come with me. Yeah, so here we go. I literally feel like I just woke up from a nap. Oh, I'm so tired. But no, back home, and I think we will start packing. Yay! So right now I'm on my way to Target. I'm at a red light. But I'm on my way to Target to pick up some last minute toiletries like travel toothpaste and travel soap and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing right now. And the sun's out, sort of. The weather's really fall-y and nice. So yeah. Okay, I'm back from Target. Just wanted to give you a little haul. Makeup wipes. I didn't realize this was a little can. That's not gonna work. A little deodorant for me. Razors, because that's important. Some travel toothpaste. So that's the haul. Okay. So, I am only bringing a carry-on, which sounds crazy, but we're only going for a week. So I'm trying to pack light, but have everything I need. So I don't know what the balance of that is. So we're gonna see what we can fit and what needs to come, what doesn't need to come. So yeah, first we're gonna start with the stuff that I don't really have to try on and make sure fits. I need to look up ways to efficiently pack, some people fold all their outfits together or something like that. But right now we're just putting what I have ready in the suitcase. Since today is Wednesday the 11th, we don't leave till the 15th, so I probably will not pack toiletries and stuff. We'll probably pack those things until closer, so kind of have to wait on that. But now we're gonna do dresses, which I'm bringing an athletic dress, an athletic skirt, and I think one actual nice dress, say if we go out to dinner or something, and then a skirt, a nicer skirt. So we'll do those next. This one's so a lot of the outfits I'm packing are from Old Navy. Old Navy, sponsor me. I'm just kidding. I love Old Navy stuff, and they've had really great sales all throughout the summer. Especially right now is a really good time to buy stuff, because it's all summer stuff and it's all on sale, and I'm perfect, because we need summer stuff to wear in Hawaii. So I've got this athletic skirt. It looks short. It's actually not as short as one may think, and it has little shorts in the bottom. So we're all good to go there. But this is the active dress. I may or may not wear that. Of course, we have to have Old Faithful, and if you haven't kept up with my YouTube videos, I thrifted this one. I'll tag it up here. Is this dress I thrifted for $7. I'm gonna say it every time. $7 at the Salvation Army. So this cutie patootie is coming with us. The skirt, I got this from American Eagle, I think 2 years ago. It has this cute little floral detail. So very cute, high-waisted, you know, all the cute things. So anyway, the next will be tops. These are my favorite tank tops in the whole entire world. They're from Old Navy, and they're these little cropped. Some I don't always get the cropped ones, but a ton of them for this trip. I even have a blue one that I need to get too. But this little gray one is so cute. I want to. This is the one I'm like most excited to wear. This is a full length one that's this cute like seafoam tealish color. And then this one's from Target, and this one's a white one. A white tank is always a staple. I just wish they made like white shirts that weren't see-through, you know? Like that's all I ask for in life. But this is the most I'm gonna bring for like tank tops. And then this one's, it's like a going out to dinner kind of tank top. It's black and silky. Also from Old Navy. But I'm also going to bring like, you know, maybe like a big t-shirt or a t-shirt and a sweatshirt for sure. Stuff like that. So, but this is it for tops as of right now. The next part is the rest of the bottoms. I'm bringing kind of like a small amount of bottoms. These are boxers, like girl boxers to sleep in. They're too big. So I'm gonna have to roll them, but I got them from Old Navy for $10, which actually is kind of a lot for their sales rack. But I saw these and I'm like, I have to sleep in these in Hawaii. That would just be like a crime, right? Not to. So this will be sleep shorts, sweat shorts, I feel like are important. That kind of deal. Jean shorts. I hate jean shorts, but they are in fact a closet staple. So, you know, you're gonna have to wear them. I have to find black biker shorts. So I also have to pack those. Probably a pair of leggings as well. So, gotta find those. But that's what I've got for like clothes. Then swimsuits. Swimsuits is next. Swimsuits I have I think 5-ish. And I might pack one more too, but we're gonna start with this cute little set from Old Navy, being cute. This high-waisted bottoms, super cute, super bright, super, you know, Hawaii. Another set from Old Navy as well, more neutral, but still, what's the word? Tropical, very tropical. Then this one piece is something I had my eye on from when we were living in Mississippi. It's a Target swimsuit, and I actually really love Target swimsuits. They've kind of gone down in quality in the last couple of years, but they used to be pretty cheap and pretty good quality. But this is like a one piece, very cute, kind of high cut on the leg, which I'm like, don't know how I feel about that yet. When we're going scuba diving, most likely we'll be wearing this one. And then I have this, also I think from Target, this one piece, just very, you know, very full coverage, except for the front, but you do what you can. I'll tell you right now, I'm probably not even going to touch these ones. And our most modest, this is one I bring on family vacations. This cutie patootie one piece from American Eagle about 2 years ago. Yeah, so we're getting this side pretty full. I'm actually not bringing really any liquids. So the only things that I'm bringing are liquidy is my Old Faithful curl cream, because any somewhat styled hair is not gonna fly. And then I have these waterproof phone cases, which you're like, there's no way this is waterproof. This looks like a flimsy piece of garbage from Amazon, and kind of is, but it has this little seal on it, if it'll work. And you just kind of pull it apart, and then your phone goes in, and then you lock it in with this little purse. You probably already called it, but Lululemon belt bag. Shocking. Like, I may bring this one for like dinner, and you guys are like, Courtney, you're so annoying. I know, I'm very annoying. So bags. Then shoes. I'm bringing, again, the cheapest shoes I could find on Amazon for water shoes. And my Birkenstocks. Which you're like, Courtney, why? Because they're my go-tos. And then I will be wearing my Hokas, but I'm washing them, so they're not in this video, but I will be wearing my Hokas as well. So pretty much between water shoes, these, and my Hokas, I'm pretty sure can get all the jobs done. Yeah, so I guess the only thing I have to pack now is, which will be off camera, is hygiene stuff and then more of like the comfy, but like leggings, maybe another sweatshirt and like a t-shirt. And that's it. So thanks for watching. See you after.